So at the studio today, we have this Fiat 126, which hasn't been driven for 7.5 years. It was last on the road in 2009 when it last had an MOT, and it's come to us for a deep clean and a machine polish.
Today, at the studio, we have this Fiat 126 that has come in for a gloss enhancement. This car has been neglected for nearly a decade, and the customer has asked us to see if we can fix that problem for this coming weekend, where he's going to be taking it to a car meet. Let's see what we can do. Because the customer has said that it's not watertight, we have to wash it using... Oh my days, why can't... Because the customer has said that the car is not watertight, we have to use something... Oh, Eco Wash. Is that right? Ignore me, we were using a Geon Eco Wash instead of the conventional clean, and that was due to the car not being watertight.
Oh my God. Wow, it looks like brand new.
But it should feel like before it was. You actually like feel like the back of my
I feel
neck.
like I'll ruin it if I touch it. Wow, yeah, it's like glass.
Yeah, so that's how it should be. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Wow,
So
that looks amazing. I'm surprised the black plastic bits are like they look brand new. I mean, they were almost white. They'd changed. Yeah. Hey. Yeah, I'm amazed. I was just saying that the plastics look ridiculously new compared to what I thought they would. I know you said you'd do them still, but I didn't expect them to look that good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Like I say, it's completely transformed it. The fact that it's not been washed for 7.5 years.
Yeah.
And then this is its first wash. At least you've done it properly.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I mean, it's. I was just saying to the lads, I'm taking it to a show on Sunday. So how it looked before was kind of, I guess, more of like the barn find look. Like, oh, I've just pulled this out of the garage for the first time in 7 years. Now it looks like it's something I've actually looked after. You know. Wow. Yeah. Wow. No, I'm astounded.
it's different in here to what it looks outside. Outside, you can like,
When you get the sun on it, yeah. Yeah, it really stands out when you get out in the sun, doesn't it? Which hopefully is how it's going to look on Sunday. If the weather stays like this, and it's going to be so much better than I expected. That's not to say I wasn't expecting a lot. I mean, you know, I just couldn't imagine it looking like this new again, or something. So I actually rebuilt the engine throughout that year. During COVID, you know, I was stuck inside, so I just basically thought I'm going to rebuild it. It cost me about £1,000 in parts overall to rebuild the engine, but it was my first time ever attempting something like that. And you know, a 2-cylinder air-cooled engine is the right thing to try on first, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, but it's one of the things I'm still not sure what I want to do with it now, because when I first got it out of the garage to MOT, I was kind of thinking I'll take it to a couple of shows and then end of the summer I'll get rid of it probably, because I've had it for so long and not done enough with it. I feel like maybe it wasn't for me, but now I've had it out, MOT'd it, driven it again, I suddenly remembered like, oh, actually it's just a laugh to drive. It's such a silly, fun little car, and everyone looks at it when you're driving, you know, it's kind of grabs a lot of attention, but I assume more now looking like this as well. So I actually work just around the corner, and whilst it's been nice weather like this, I've been going for walks in my lunchtime. I walk past here and I always spot the cars, so I like to, you know, walk past and see what you've got in. And then recently I saw on the TDC channel that Edwin had collected his TVR from here.
Yeah.
So that's why I actually thought about this place when I knew I needed something doing with it. So I thought I'll give New Look a shout and see what they can do about it.
Oh, cool. Then second question, how was your experience with us?
I mean, it's been great. I can't really complain. It's you know, I'm assuming you'll have picture and video of it before, so you know, it's you can understand my amazement at it. Really, it's been great.
Yeah, we're doing a full YouTube video on it, so that'll be quite cool. You'll see that on the channel soon.
Okay, yeah, keep an eye out.
And final question is, are you happy with it?
Of course, yeah. I mean, it's tons better. It's like I said, I've got a show on Sunday, and I can't wait to take it there now. Really, it's going to really stand out compared to how it did before. Yeah.
Cool. I like the before of it, but now it looks...
Yeah, it had character before still. It kind of suited its age.
Yeah.
But I mean, now it just looks more. It looks more looked after, you know, which is better on me really. Yeah. No, it's amazing. Thank you.
this paint is absolutely battered.